Hey guys, welcome to Artsigns Installations. So today we just finished installing this really nice R.J. O'Brien and Associates Canada sign. As you can see, there's a combination of a light shade brushed finish with custom colors that are specifically matched according to the branding specifications of the company. So you can look closely here. The smaller letters are slightly thinner at a 1/4 inch thickness, and they're mounted directly to the wall. Generally, this gives the sign a little bit more depth. The smaller letters, also being finer, allow for better legibility as opposed to if they were thicker. So they're mounted directly to the wall. The larger letters, on the other hand, are bigger and they can be a little bit thicker and raised off the wall for an additional sense of dimension. So as you can see, it seems like this combination is relatively effective in portraying this company's brand, and overall the client is very happy, and we hope you enjoy the sign as well. Thanks for joining us.